The Optimism airdrop was worth more than $2,000 and the Aptos gave out over $1,500. What's next? It may be STARKNET, which raised $278 million in investments from top venture funds. In this video we're gonna explore how much airdrop we can expect from this project and what activities we need to do. Firstly, I want to pay attention to that STARKNET has a strong team and notable investors, such as Sequoia Capital, Pantera Capital, Coinbase Ventures, Naval Ravikant, even Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, invested in STARKNET. So they have a significant amount of funding to distribute through airdrops. You may be wondering, what STARKNET is? In short, STARKNET is a decentralized ZK rollup operating as a layer 2 network over Ethereum, where any dApp can achieve unlimited scale for its computation without compromising Ethereum's composability and security. More about ZK rollups and STARKNET you can learn in these videos. It's also worth mentioning that STARKNET is currently in alpha version and the network is still slow, but the upside is there are fewer users, meaning more airdrop for network users. Without further ado, let's dive into the STARKNET network activities. To interact with the STARKNET ecosystem, we need to install the ArgentX wallet or Bravos wallet. Let's install the ArgentX wallet. Click on Add to Chrome and create a new wallet. Create a password and then go to the wallet itself in the top right corner. Here you will need to save your seed phrase, copy it and store it in a safe place. The seed phrases will be used to restore your wallet in case of lose. Remember to switch the network from testnet to mainnet. The next step is to bridge our Ethereum tokens from layer 1 Ethereum main network to layer 2 STARKNET network. We'll use the official Stargate bridge to do this. Connect your MetaMask and ArgentX wallets, then use the bridge to transfer your Ethereum tokens to layer 2 network. I'm transferring 0.068 Ethereum. Press the transfer button and wait for the tokens to appear in the STARKNET network. After our tokens have been transferred to the STARKNET network, let's make some transactions on 10k swap decentralized exchange. Connect your wallet and swap Ethereums for USDC or DAI several times and back. After swapping several times, we need to add some tokens to the liquidity pools. To do this, we need a few cents of USDC or DAI. Add liquidity to the Ethereum USDC or Ethereum DAI pairs. After completing several swaps and adding liquidity to 10k swap decentralized exchange, move on to the next decentralized exchange, it's MySwap. Repeat the process here by making several transactions and adding liquidity. The next step is to trade NFTs. Let's flip NFTs multiple times on the Aspect marketplace. Go to the buy section, purchase NFTs at the floor price, and then you can list them for sale immediately. Then we can create our own NFTs, mint it and sell it if you want. You can also hold a couple of NFTs as they cost only a few cents. Next we'll head over to Mintsquare, another NFT marketplace, and repeat the process. Buy, mint and sell. After completing all the activities, we can transfer our funds back to the Layer 1 Ethereum network, leaving a small amount in the STARKNET network for future activities. Please note that funds may take some time to transfer from Layer 2 to Layer 1. However, don't worry, as the transfer should be completed within 12 hours. After the transaction is successful, you will see a dialog box pop up in the top right corner. Click to complete and confirm transaction. That's it. It's important to note that if you have the opportunity to be active and increase trade volume, you may get more rewards, since many projects gave rewards based on the number of transactions or trade volume. For example, a person who makes one transaction may receive $2,000, while someone who makes more than 10 or 20 transactions may receive $5,000 or $10,000. But keep in mind that there is no official announcement or criteria for airdrops, and there may be small risks and commission costs that can pay off 1,000 times. I spent about $10 to $15 on commission doing all these activities. In my opinion, if STARKNET distributes an airdrop, it will be a good money, as they have a lot of funds and also there are few users compared to other networks. So I think we can expect from $3,000 to $15,000 easily. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope we all get a generous airdrop. Share your ideas in the comments below. See you in the next video.